Today I have the new Waitrose food magazine. The amount of pleasure this brings me makes me a brand advocate for Waitrose for life. I have the April 2018 edition. I thought I would go through it for the first time on this channel. It's free when you have a Waitrose card. All of the recipes are available usually online. How to make lemon curd. Too much work. Matcha roulade. That's kind of cool. It's with matcha green tea. Sweet, juicy chunks of fruit. Tempting. This is kind of cool. 5 varieties of peanut butter. If you were a peanut butter freak, you'd probably want to know about this. Purple sprouting broccoli. Nah. Broccoli and blue cheese risotto with toasted pecans. Could be something. I'll bookmark that. Oh my god. Flourless chocolate cake with tahini, mascarpone, and sesame brittle. That is gonna be amazing. Ooh, dong po slow braised pork belly. My mouth is filled up with saliva. Bookmark that. What is this? Sesame chicken? Something like that. You got a lot of vegetables. You got protein. Prepare 10 minutes, cook 10 minutes. This is a perfect weeknight meal. We're gonna try that one out for sure. Beetroot, tahini, and yogurt dip. That looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Ooh, the British blacktail eggs, which I always buy, are getting new packaging. This means that the egg box uses 60% less water. Stuff like this is important to me. I want to know what the grocery store where I shop every week is doing to improve their carbon footprint. Again, my perception of the Waitrose brand keeps going up. Okay, this is my favorite section. Weekday wonders. They're always really fast, really easy meals. Fragrant pork meatballs with rice noodles. Doesn't that look good? I think that looks amazeballs. No pun intended. They always have this spread at the end where they pick a key theme ingredient and they do like 4 recipes. This one's obviously peanut butter. 4 fantastic ways to make the best of that jar of peanut butter. Who does not love peanut butter? Peanut and pecan granola. Ooh, I'll make that. Aubergine and peanut butter curry. Ooh, that too. Banana and peanut butter cake. Sold. Okay, these are all coming out. And that's it. That's the magazine for the month. 4, 5, 7 recipes bookmarked in this edition alone. And these are going to provide us with 7 meals throughout the month of April and maybe even May. The other thing I love about these magazines is they feature ingredients and recipes that are seasonal. They're higher quality because they're at their peak of freshness. They haven't traveled across the world to get to you. And then because of that, they're usually cheaper. Big up to Waitrose. I love the brand. I am yours for life. Yeah, this might as well have been like a video for Waitrose. I feel like if you really love a brand and you're really passionate about it, you should talk about it. I will link to all of these recipes that I've bookmarked in this issue. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing week ahead.